What's up? It's Pat Para, and in this video I want to talk about an unexpected place I've found to buy really awesome beats for a really good deal. So a lot of my viewers were asking where they could get beats. A lot of people didn't want to make their own beats. I have a program that teaches people how to make their own beats, but a lot of people just kind of want to buy beats that are already made, that they trust. And sometimes you feel more confident writing songs to a more professional beat, somebody who dedicates their time and their life to making beats. I feel that way too. I make my own beats. I think my beats are, good enough for me, but, I still get insecure about my beat making, and I want to find beats, people to collaborate with where I don't have to worry about how good the beat is. I know the beat's good quality, and all I have to do is focus on writing raps. So, and in this video, I want to show a cool site that I found where you can get really high quality beats, and actually a lot of high quality beats for a lot cheaper than sites like Beatstars. So we're going to kind of compare the two sites. We're going to compare Beatstars and this site that I found for buying beats. So I had a problem. I made a mixtape over all beats on YouTube, like beats that were famous, like beats by DJ Premier and Jay Dilla. And now, even though the songs are old, I want to put those songs on Spotify, but legally I can't because the beats are made by professional producers. But now I'm excited because I found a bunch of producers on this site I'm about to show you that will remix my songs for me and take my vocals from that song, like I can send them acapellas, and they will remix songs over their own beats. And so I'll have original beats that I can use and use commercially. And a lot of these beat makers, I don't even have to give them credit. I can just use it and sell it for as much as I want. I just pay them a small fee one time, and I can just use their beats, upload them to Spotify, and I can keep all the money. A lot of these agreements are I keep all the money. Some of these guys don't even want credit. And it's a site that I've actually used to pay a pregnant girl to pretend to be pregnant by my friend.
Remember that time we met and we held hands and you kissed me? I'm pregnant, man, with your fucking son. 6 months if you don't believe me.
It was a pretty funny video. I just kind of wrote something out and then she performed that. So on that site, there's also beats. But first, before I get into that site, I want to show you Beatstars and kind of give you what the typical deals are on Beatstars and kind of what you get, and then compare it to this unexpected site I found to find beats. So check it out. So Beatstars, here's a popular beat on Beatstars. The basic license is $30, all right? This is not an unlimited license. So it's $30 for, I think it's like 2,500 sales and maybe 100,000 streams. But anytime you get over that, you have to rebuy the lease again. And if you want the Wave version, a little higher quality, you have to pay $50, okay? Same thing, it's not a commercial free, like you can just use it for whatever. You only get a certain amount of plays and a certain amount of sales before you have to rebuy it again. And if you want it tracked out, so you can separate the tracks, that's $100. And if you want an unlimited license, where you can just get it paid for as long as you want and not have to keep buying it over again, it's $200. And if you want an exclusive license, then you have to pay probably like $1,000 to $2,000 depending on the deal. Some people give you $500. That way you're the only person to rap on that beat. You're the only one allowed to rap on that beat for the exclusive. So that's Beatstars. So it ranges from $30 to $500 to $2,000, but to be able to have unlimited use of the song costs about $200. So now I'm going to show you this site that I think is a lot better, and it is called Fiverr. And I'm going to show you some producers that I found on here with a lot better deals. And if you just want to kind of skip to my top 10 producers that I found, I made a list below in the link in the description. Check it out. So if you want to follow along and create your own kind of favorites list, what I recommend doing is use the link below to get onto Fiverr, and you'll be able to see my list. And then what you want to do is click join, and you can join with Facebook or Google, your Facebook account or your email, whatever you want to do. And then once you're in, then when you find a gig that you like, you just press this heart, and then you can create a little list like I did. Like I made a trap beat list, right? So I can save all my trap beats. So again, I'll have my top 10 list below. Sign up free so that you can follow along and just save all the beats so that when you're ready to get a beat, you'll have it all ready to go. You'll have all your top producers. That's how I do it. It helps me keep things organized and remember the beat makers that I like, so I don't have to keep going back and trying to find them again. All right, so let's check out some of these producers. Here's one that will give you 10 good trap beats for only $50. So that's 10 beats for $50, and you get unlimited commercial use. You get commercial use, which means they don't have to rebuy it. You get to keep all the money. Anytime you stream it, you keep all the money. Anytime you sell your song that you made on it, you get to keep all the money. So let's check out some of these beats. All right, so that's one beat. And let's see this beat. Yeah, I remember I like this one. Let's see this one. so there's another beat. And then let's see the next one. Smoke perp type beat. All right, so that's pretty cool. So he'll make you 10 good beats. And I think he's making these custom beats basically on what you want. People are liking it. I'm not sure if they're beats that he's already made that he's just sending you. It could be, or he could be just producing these ones live. Either way, it's a way better deal than Beatstars. This would cost you $2,000 on Beatstars for 10 beats with unlimited use. So this is awesome. So that's a good beat pack, 10 beats for 50 bucks. Here is another guy. This guy doesn't have as a good of a deal, but his beats are awesome. And I'll show you his deal in a second. But first, check out these beats. So he has the different sounds. So yeah, he's got some dope sounds. The only thing is it's gonna cost 15 bucks for one beat to be able to get commercial use. So it's still a better deal than Beatstars, but it's 15 bucks for one beat. And this guy has a limit on streams. You get 500,000 streams. So still a better deal than Beatstars. This would cost you $200 on Beatstars. He's only charging 15. Oh, it's a good deal. Here is a little better deal. This is two beats for 10 bucks. All right. And these are the custom made ones, and these are pretty cool. Check this out. There's one. Let's check out this one. I think I like this one. All right, I'm gonna skip ahead. All right, so there's one, and then he's got another beat. Oh, I like this beat. Yeah, I like this beat a lot. So I would probably buy this one. $10, Lofi Beats. And the cool thing about this guy is commercial use. You want to look for commercial use. Make sure the beats have commercial use, all right? So I saved this one. This will be in my top 10 list below. And I think all the ones I've shown you will be in my top 10 list. Yeah, this is a good deal. Make sure to read the reviews, and you can see this guy has 5-star reviews and people really like it. And this guy's actually taking your feedback, whatever kind of mood and style you want. You can send him the type of beats you like, and he'll make beats based on the type of beats you like. So that's pretty cool. All right, so here's actually a really good deal. 6 emotional, sad beats, royalty-free hip-hop beats. And this is the guy who says you don't even have to give him credit. Take these 6 beats, do whatever you want with them. Check this out. $5, 6 beats. There's an even better deal coming up though. See this beat? Sounds awesome. $5, 6 beats. Let's check out the guy's review section. Full commercial use. Yeah, people love the beats. All right, so this guy's dope. I'll have this guy below too. Oh yeah, so here's the best deal that I've found. 30 rap and hip hop instrumentals, already mixed and mastered, ready to go. And this is full commercial use. He usually charges $1,000 a beat, only $5, you get 30 beats. Royalty free means if you make $1 million, you don't have to pay him anything. You can keep all the money. You make $1 million selling your songs over these beats, you keep everything. And his beats are pretty dope. All right, then he has a video of him talking, and he seems like a nice guy, but anyways. Oh yeah, he also has another package for 20 bucks, 120 royalty-free beats. Instead of just 30, you get 120. And if you want to get them all tracked out, just a 10 bucks per beat. So this is an amazing deal. I don't even know the math on that. So 120 beats on Beatstars with unlimited use. So that's times 200. That would be $24,000 on Beatstars. So you're getting $24,000 worth of beats for 20 bucks on this one. And I'll have this guy below too. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you this site. So the other really cool thing you can do is you could private message these people with this contact me link, and you can ask them to remix your old songs. Like this is something that I'm thinking about doing. That's why I've been looking at these producers, because I have a lot of old songs that I made over famous beats that I found on YouTube, like DJ Premier beats and J Dilla beats, that I'll never get the access to, I'll never get the rights to. So I can't put those songs on Spotify. I can't put my own songs on Spotify because I recorded them over Famous Beats. So if I want to actually make money with the music, with like Spotify and selling the songs on iTunes and stuff, what I can do is I can send the vocal stems, I can send the vocal tracks to these guys, like the acapellas, and they can remix my songs with commercial-free beats that I could upload and get all the money. I could finally stream these songs that I wrote, and I can actually start getting paid from the songs that I wrote with the remixes that these guys are making. So these guys, you know, it could cost me 10 bucks, maybe 20 bucks, I don't know. For a remix, you guys can negotiate a deal with these people and they will remix your songs for you. In another video, I will kind of do an experiment. Well, I will have one of these guys remix one of my songs and we'll see how it turns out. But I wanted to give you guys that idea. Like, so if you have any old songs that you can't sell because they're on Famous Beats, just pick one of your favorite producers on this site and they'll remix your song over a new beat, and you can maybe have 3 different people remix it. So you have 3 different remixes and you just pick the best one, put that on Spotify, sell it, and you can keep all the money. You have all the rights. So that's pretty cool. So thanks for watching this video. I hope that was helpful. This site is amazing. Like, if you want to hire a singer, you can hire a singer. You can hire a professional singer to sing choruses on your stuff. You can have mixing, mastering, help with your music videos, help with music promotion. 100% recommend this. And if you want to check it out and start saving things, use the link below and you'll be able to get a free account, and you also get my list of my top favorite producers that I've been finding, like trap producers, lo-fi hip hop producers, and you'll be able to find all these people that I showed you in this video. All right, so thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video where I hope to do an experiment with some people on the site. All right, thanks again, bye. If you like this video, be sure to press the like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, because I'm gonna keep on making different videos related to this, because it's really fun for me to go on Fiverr, get these amazing deals, and see what kind of creativity I can make. Because the awesome thing with Fiverr is that it's based on a review system. So if I pay these guys to make me a song, they have to keep working on it until I'm happy with it, or I'm gonna give them a bad review. And they know that, so they work extra hard for their review because they live and die off the reviews on this site. They'll be wiped out if they're getting bad reviews. It lowers them in the ranking. So they will work really hard to make sure that you're happy and to make sure that you have a song that you really love. So that's why I like Fiverr, and I've been using Fiverr for years for like a lot of random stuff, for different marketing stuff, for videos. I have people on Fiverr that edit my videos for me. So yeah, Fiverr's awesome. Highly recommend it. You can do a lot of funny pranks on people. And again, check out my top 10 list below for my favorite producers. All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye.